Hey, Larie here. Welcome back. This is gonna be a fall reset. If you're new here, I post videos about lifestyle, travel, and self-investment, really just being your best self. And speaking of that, I want to touch on today's vlog. I have decided to do a reset to get back on my workouts. My goal is to work out every day for at least 30 minutes. And I don't plan to take a day off because I feel like if I take one day off, that could lead to another day. And then next thing you know, I'm back out of the loop. So I can fit in 30 minutes every day, even if that means me doing a simple home workout or a simple stretch routine or yoga routine before bed. The plan is to just move every single day for at least a half hour. At the end of last year, we hit it really hard and then I fell off, especially when vacation happened, the kids got out of school. We were in Europe for a month. I still have more of that content to post, but my plan is to just pop in with vlogs, but also continue to share that trip because I have so much that I can share. And there are people still vacationing, so I hope it will be helpful in their vacation planning or your vacation planning if you're planning to head out that way. One of the biggest goals that I have on my list, I actually shared yesterday in a short, which is to join a gym. I want to grow my TikTok account. I've been posting over there and just doing simple stuff. It's a lot of fun. I am enjoying the app. I can edit a video really quickly and boom, get it up. So that's really nice. Of course, with vlogs, that's longer form content. So that takes hours. Sometimes it takes me 5 to 10 hours to edit a video. With a TikTok, I can have that up in an hour or two. I plan to continue to post here because, you know what? I'm babbling, girl. Let's get out of here. Starting with my list, I need to work on my wardrobe, so we're gonna do a bit of shopping. Let's go. Ooh, left with a gift. I went in to do some window shopping and to try some things on and learned that the lock changed on my bracelet. So I had to send out and I'm gonna have it polished and have the lock reset. And right now I'm just walking into Nordstrom and I'm tripping over my feet because the floor is buffed to perfection. But I'm getting ready to look for some tops here and maybe some jeans because like I said earlier, I don't really have anything. Let's take a look around. I like this collar, but I'm petite and short, so I think these look great on a tall girl. And I have a big bust, so it'll be doing too much. I'm not usually a Stuart Weitzman fan, but these are smoking, and they look great on. If I weren't so ashy, I would show you. But I like the idea that this would actually fit my ankle. If I weren't so ashy, I would try those boots on and show you. The fit is great. I actually love all of the colors, but not what I'm in the market for right at this moment. I'm just gonna take a look around. I'm gonna run over to Bloomingdale's really quick. I'm actually looking for an everyday fall jacket. Let's check it out, see what we can find. Oh, snap, stirrups are coming back to pants, y'all. That's just it. At least according to Express. See, I got hemmed up in Cartier and now I have to leave. I was in there for more than an hour. Still gonna run over to Bloomie's because at the very least I hope I can get a jacket. But I came here to take a look around because I like the way Express's pants fit me, especially the dress pants. I haven't tried any of their jeans in a very long time, but I'm not gonna be able to do it today. So let's get out of here and see if I can find my jacket at the very least. Then I will feel like I've been productive and I've actually gotten something done. Ooh, what do we think of this vest coat? It's mostly wool, tiny bit of cashmere, and something called polyamide. I love the color. I just wish it were an actual coat though. Should I do the cream? This is kind of snug though. I would need a 6. This is a 4, so let's do 3. So this is without my cardigan. Here's the burgundy brown one. I like this color because it's not something typically I'd grab. This one actually fits bigger. Navy. This green is popping too. 6 is a better fit. This color, my God, and love. So many jackets I tried on. They didn't really have my size. I needed a 6, but I'm gonna just order it online. But
I feel like my knees are like sprinting.
it is a noodle hot soup kind of day. It is gloomy out, chilly.
Raining.
I don't know if these chopsticks are gonna work out, honey, but I'm gonna give them a shot. My son wants me to use chopsticks.
They work?
Spice? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well, I'm the camera crew, so.
These didn't quite work out. The smell, the scent is just a little different from what I like. I'm very, very picky when it comes to scent.
Stings the nostrils.
My babe's got jokes over there.